ginger, individually renowned for their health-promoting properties, create a dynamic and flavorful duo that offers an array of benefits when combined. Lemon, with its vibrant citrusy flavor, is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which can bolster the immune system, promote collagen production for healthy skin, and aid digestion. Ginger, with its spicy and earthy kick, is well known for its digestive benefits, helping alleviate nausea, indigestion, and bloating. Together, lemon and ginger form a soothing and invigorating tea that not only provides relief from common digestive discomforts, but also contributes to overall wellness. This infusion can be an excellent choice for those seeking a natural and refreshing way to boost their immune system, enhance their digestion, and add a zesty twist to their daily routine.